Moving to the West can be exciting, but it's not without challenges. Here are some reasons why it may not be entirely ideal. 1. Cost of living. Many Western countries have a high cost of living, especially in major cities. Housing, healthcare, and education can be significantly more expensive compared to some other regions, which can impact quality of life and savings. 2. Cultural adjustment. Adapting to a new culture can be challenging. Differences in language, social norms, and values may cause a sense of isolation or culture shock, especially if you're coming from a tight-knit community or a place with distinct traditions. 3. Weather and climate. Western countries can have extreme or unfamiliar weather, such as cold, long winters. If you're used to warmer climates, this might be difficult to adjust to both physically and emotionally. 4. Social support and community. Moving far from family and friends can be difficult. In many Western countries, people tend to be more individualistic, so finding a strong support system might take time. 5. Job market and recognition of qualifications. Depending on your field, you may face difficulties finding work or having foreign qualifications recognized. Many immigrants have to go through additional training or certification, which can be time-consuming and costly. 6. Discrimination and bias. Unfortunately, immigrants in the West can face bias or discrimination based on race, ethnicity, or nationality, which can affect job prospects and social interactions. 7. Mental health and well-being. The combination of isolation, culture shock, and adjustment stress can affect mental health. Adapting to new surroundings while managing homesickness, financial pressures, and career uncertainty can be overwhelming. 8. Work-life balance and social connections. In some Western cultures, there's a strong focus on career and productivity, sometimes at the expense of leisure and family time. This may feel different if you're used to a slower pace of life with closer family ties. 9. Complex immigration systems. Many Western countries have strict immigration policies that can make it difficult to obtain and maintain residency or work permits, adding stress and uncertainty for newcomers. While moving to the West can offer access to more economic opportunities, high-quality education, and healthcare, it's worth considering these potential downsides and preparing for them if you're thinking of making the move.